Your loop should match the length of the metronome. Give it a listen. Assuming your sound is as short as mine, make 3 copies of the metronome loop and line them up. Go back to your beat loop, copy and paste atop the second metronome loop, but this time towards the end, add an extra snare midway between the 4th bar and the start of where the next loop would begin. Copy and paste your first loop atop the 3rd metronome loop. Copy and paste your second drum loop over the 4th metronome loop, but this time we're making 2 changes. Add a kick between the first kick and the first snare midway, and add a snare midway between the final 2. Just like that, you have yourself a basic drum beat. There is a 3rd key element that can be added to smooth things out, which would be hi-hats. These can be added in at shorter intervals between each other and at the parts of the loop where there are preferably no kicks or no kicks and snares. Anyway guys, thanks for checking this out. I hope you all go on to make creative and entertaining percussion loops and drum lines to drive excellent beats. Keep vibing. Peace.